Self-care is no longer for ladies.
Well, men also have wrinkles and fine lines.
You can achieve a chiseled body without going to the gym.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Fong,
I'm Dr. Jason.
and today we're going to dive into male aesthetics. Okay, Jason, in your mind, what is the first thing about male aesthetics?
Well, the most basic thing in today's time is that you have to have some self-care. Self-care is no longer for ladies. It is about boosting your self-esteem and confidence as well.
For me, the next thing is about skincare. I'm sure a lot of men neglected about the skincare. Do you know that men's skins are more oily, men's skins are thicker compared to women's? Well, therefore, your skincare regime is very important. Toner, moisturizer, and sunscreens are important for men too. Do you agree?
Yes, I totally agree.
Okay. So tell me what men can do next.
Well, the most non-invasive thing you can do is actually facial.
Yes, it is important, okay, to take care of your skin.
Besides facial, you can also do microabrasion, chemical peels. All this would help to improve your skin texture and have a smoother skin texture.
Well, botox and filler are not exclusively for women also. Well, men also have wrinkles and fine lines. Therefore, botox and filler are for men too.
Want a more chiseled physique and you are too lazy to go to the gym? Well, nowadays there's many body contouring machines. For example, like Sculpt. You can achieve a chiseled body without going to the gym.
Well, next I think will be hair restorations. Hair, I think is very important for men to show the manliness. Who want to be bald. There is a lot of treatments available in the clinics to help you to restore your hair volumes and also to help you to regain your confidence.
For example, like hair PRP, Regenera, and also hair transplant. Next is beard care. Well, I am very jealous of people who can actually grow a well-grown beard because I myself cannot grow it. At most, it's just a little bit of hair here and there, so I would rather shave it off. A well-groomed beard can actually make you look cleaner and more refreshed, and also sexy too. For example, Brad Pitt has a very sexy beard, don't you agree?
Yes, definitely. Well, gentlemen, self-care is no longer just a trend, but it's a lifestyle. It helps you to enhance your appearance and boost your confidence and live your life fullest.
We are here to help you every part of the way. Feel your best, look your best, it's time to shine.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
Bye!